want to take a moment to talk to you about the importance of using the practice quizzes available to you throughout this course. Now, these quizzes are a valuable tool to help you gauge your understanding of the material. I will go over where you can find them and when they will become available to you. Let's get started. One way to access the practice quizzes are by clicking on the module tab. Once you click on the module tab, you will see the practice quiz show up right over here. Another way of finding the practice quizzes is by clicking on Module 1 Overview. When you click on the overview, you will see this page come up. And if you scroll all the way down, you will see the practice quiz listed right over here. There will be a practice quiz for every single class activity. When you click on the practice quiz, this is what will come up. Of course, this is not available yet, but if it was available, you would be able to take this practice quiz. Another way of finding the practice quizzes is by clicking on quizzes. If you click on quizzes, you can see that there are two tabs. There's the assignment quizzes. These are going to be the graded assignments. And below you have the practice quizzes. When you click on the practice quizzes tab, this is what will open up, and you can see right over here we have practice quiz for module 1 that's already available. There are two other practice quizzes that I want you to take. One is the academic honesty policy, and the other one is a practice quiz just for you to be able to download the Respondus lockdown browser that will be required for you to take the major assessments of the course. So exam 1 through 4 and the final exam, they will be done using the Respondus lockdown browser. So make sure to click on this so that you can have access to the Respondus lockdown. And if you don't have it on your computer, then the program will open up and you will be able to download it. In addition, the practice quiz for the Respondus lockdown browser and the academic honesty policy quiz, they are also available on module 0, which you have to take prior to be able to have access to the content of the course. Now, the practice quizzes, like the name says, is just for you to practice. Therefore, it is not part of your grade, so it's worth 0% of your final course grade. However, they're very important for you to be aware so that you can use them throughout the course. Now, they will become available for the lecture after your assignments are due. It doesn't make sense for them to become available prior to the due date of the class activities, because then you would be just copying and pasting into the graded class activity. So I want you to learn by doing the class activities, and then you can use the practice quizzes to make sure that you mastered all the concepts. Therefore, by regularly taking these quizzes, you can identify the areas where you might need to focus more, and then you will be able to solidify your knowledge. I do encourage you to take full advantage of these resources, as they will greatly enhance your learning experience. And if you have any questions or need any guidance, I'm here to support you. Do not hesitate to reach out.